Today we will introduce the C programming language using the first program. So let's start by the first program using this language. Hashtag include studio.h integer main printf. For example, I need to print hello world. And finally return 0. Now let's explain each component of this program. And let's start with hashtag include studio. Hashtag include studio, it's a header file includes. Here it's the first line. First of all, I will start with hashtag. I write include and studio.h. It's mean here input and output stream IO. Here .h is called it's a file or called header file in the C programming language. Now we can put, for example, here stdint.h to define the integer type. I can write here, for example, include math.h when I need to work with mathematical functions. I can write string.h when I need to work with a string. We will see this in the video later. Now let's go to the line 2 with the integer main. Integer main is the main method declaration. After the integer main, I will write the braces, and under the braces, I will write our code. Here, integer main, integer or int, that's right before the main, it indicates the return type of the main function. Now let's talk about the braces. The pair of these braces it defines the body of a function, and all function must start like here and end with a curly brackets. And under this curly bracket, I write the code. Here, the line 4, printf hello world. Let's start to explain what is printf. Printf, it's a function to tell the compiler to print a word, to print a sentence in the screen. Here I will print hello world. Let's run the code to see the result. He print for me hello world. For example, if I need to tell him to print me, for example, the word coding, he print coding. The printf, it's a function, is used to print a message on the screen, like here. And finally here in this line, the line it ends with a semicolon. In coding, all the lines end with semicolon. If I delete this semicolon, he puts me an error. Here we have an error, and I will write, I will put a semicolon in the end of this line. The line 5 in our code is return 0. Return 0, it's mean to return for the value of the main function here. And y0, we return to value 0, it typically means successful termination. This is our first program in the C programming language. We will start with the header file, include studio.h. Second line, it's integer main, the main function. We open the braces. I print a message on the screen, and finally return 0. All the C programs start with hashtag studio and all the C program contain a main function like this. Now let's talk about this line. This line is a comment line. The comment line, when I need to write a comment in our program, I will put 2/ like this. It's a comment. It's a simple comment. I can write a multiple comment like this. For example, /star, for example, hi. I don't know what I need to. I learn C programming language. It's also a comment. I can put this comment into 2 lines. This is one comment. Now, why we use the comment in programming? We can use the comment in programming, for example, to be the program more readable. For example, like here, if I need to tell something to our, I can put here, for example, a comment, print coding on the screen. If I need to explain something to the user or to another coders, I can use a comment. Now, guys, I can put, for example, many printf function in one code, in one program. Like here, for example, printf coding, printf, for example, here, hello world, welcome to my channel. Let's run the code. Hello world, welcome to my channel. Here I put 2 printf function in one code. But here, if I need to put welcome to my channel in another line, I need to put here /n /n is used to go to another line, and this is our code. Hello world, welcome to my channel. Okay, that's all about the first program in the C programming language. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Follow me on Instagram and join our Telegram channel if you need to take all the PDF course. Thank you for watching, and I see you later.